Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up parental controls on your JVC Smart TV. First of all, navigate to the gear icon on the right side of your home screen to open Settings, then scroll down to Preferences, and in Preferences, go to Parental Controls. Here, enable them by switching this toggle on, or if you already have them enabled, then just enter your PIN code or create one if you haven't yet. Then once the parental controls are enabled, we can PIN protect purchases. To enable or disable this feature, just switch this feature on or off. We can adjust the Prime Video ratings. So just select which ratings you want to lock, which ones you want to unlock. The broadcast ratings, here we have to select the ages, the restricted ones and the allowed ones. So just click on the age. For example, if I click on 13, it will lock all the broadcasts rated for people aged 13 and older. And if I select 16, right now, since if I select 16, it will do the same thing, but it will lock broadcasts for people aged 16 or older. So yeah, basically, I hope you figure it out. And then we can also enable or disable PIN protecting app launches. So basically protecting your applications using PIN code. So whether or not you want to enter, you're gonna have to enter the PIN code each time you open an application, or your child maybe. And then in the next feature, we can PIN protect the Amazon Photos application, which is basically just PIN protects app feature for one specific app. And at the very bottom of the list, we'll be able to change the PIN. To change the PIN, we have to select this option, enter the current PIN once, and then enter the new one twice. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.